Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So in the first step, we need to just open File Explorer, then minimize it, and now open the Task Manager. You can also press Windows Control Alt Delete together to open the Task Manager. You will get the multiple option, then select the Task Manager and you will get this window. Once we are here, we need to right click on the File Explorer and click on Restart button. So it will refresh all the background window as well as the Task Manager. Once done, close this window, then press Windows key plus R key together to open Run. Now simply type your percent local app data percent and hit enter. So it will open this window. Once we are here, we need to find out the tile data layer folder. Here it is. So right click on it and simply click on delete. Once done, restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.